CBD and the DEA legal status. October 2018. It is possible that 2018 will go down in history as one of the biggest years in USA history for cannabis reform. Canada legalized cannabis nationwide for recreational use, but also the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, the gatekeepers to safe and effective medicine in the United States, has admitted that parts of the cannabis plant, once considered a gateway to addiction in the past several decades, is fine for the treatment of patients suffering from severe forms of epilepsy. The FDA recently gave Britain's GW Pharmaceuticals cannabis-based drug Epidiolex, which is comprised of pure cannabidiol, CBD, the green light for distribution in pharmacies all across the USA. This is the first time ever that the cannabis plant has been considered fit to be used in the American healthcare industry. This is absolutely huge, but there is one important detail that even is bigger. CBD must now be rescheduled by the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration, DEA. Since the FDA considers Epidiolex a safe and effective treatment option for certain forms of epilepsy, then CBD must be downgraded to a Schedule 2 or 3 on the DEA's Controlled Substances Act. Wow! We are finally getting close to reversing the wrong of banning CBD and hemp products that started all the way back in the 1937 Farm Act. The DEA has 90 days to put CBD into a lower classification before Epidiolex hits the market in the USA. The change is already in progress. It is a prerequisite to the launch of Epidiolex. Finally, the US government got it right. After all, the ban on hemp products in 1937 was politically motivated by big money lobbyists to lock hemp products completely out of the marketplace. Wait. Newsflash. In early October 2018, the FDA moved CBD to a Schedule 5 classification. That means that it has been found that CBD has a medical benefit. Finally, recognition of the healing value of CBD. As a Schedule 1, the Controlled Substance Act stated that there was no medical benefit to any part of the cannabis plant, either hemp or marijuana. It will still be only available by medical prescription. Unfortunately, the hemp CBD market is still considerably handcuffed by this new landmark decision, but it still is headed in the right direction. Cannabis companies will still not have the freedom to make unsubstantiated claims about their cannabis products. Any business telling customers that their CBD oil shrinks tumors or cures cancer is likely to catch some legal and federal government heat. As far as the FDA is concerned, the only benefit CBD provides is making life more palatable to some patients with severe seizure disorders. Nothing more. The fight goes on. There is more good news. The wide-ranging 2018 agriculture and food policy legislation known as the Farm Bill, passed the Senate by a vote of 86 to 11 and contains provisions to legalize the cultivation, processing and sale of industrial hemp. This is great news for hemp CBD companies who will now be able to grow or buy US-grown hemp. This Farm Bill of 2018 will also legalize hemp CBD. This sounds great on the surface, but there may be many legal battles ahead. Britain's GW Pharmaceuticals, the producer of Epidiolex, has spent close to $1 billion on the development and legal pursuit to sell Epidiolex in the USA. It makes sense that they will want to restrict competition in order to protect their profits going forward. The first companies they will go after are the hemp CBD producers and CBD supplement market in general. Please subscribe to my video. Please share my video. Please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like our video.